everyone! I'm Likhi and this is Choco.
We mixed some suji, a little flour, and salt. Not for you, Choco. You can't eat dough. You can just watch. Now roll the puris nice and thin, like tiny discs. Oh no! Choco made a puri paw print. That's a puppy puri now. Look! The puris are puffing up like balloons. Wow! Crispy and golden. Don't worry, Choco. You'll get a smell test soon. Now time for the spicy pani, mint, coriander, tamarind, and some magic. The mint smell is too strong. Ha ha ha! Silly puppy.
Now we fill it up.
1 puri, 2 puri, 3 puri. Oops! Pani spill.
Pani
Choco,
spill.
don't lick that. It's...
This is so tasty. Pani Puri Party with my best friend. Yay!